magic ice cream truck, shining bright and full of delight. Ding, 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 it played a tune, making everyone smile so soon. Kids came running from near and far. Ice cream time, they cheered, hooray!
Ice cream time.
The window opened with a glow, revealing treats in a magical show. Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry swirl, sweet surprises for every boy and girl. Rainbow scoops began to shine, colors dancing oh so fine. One little bite, what a surprise! Magic sparkled before their eyes. They laughed and giggled, light as air, joy and magic everywhere. The ice creams danced, hip hip hooray, turning snack time into play. The magic truck kept shining bright, filling hearts with pure delight. Sharing smiles and treats so sweet made the moment feel complete. As the sun began to rest, the magic gave its final best. The truck rolled on with a gentle gleam, like a happy, tasty dream. They waved goodbye with joyful cheer. Come back soon again.
Come back
next
soon
year.
again next year.